Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is Home Sweet Home. In this chapter, we are going to discuss what is a home. A home is a place in which we live, as it protects us from heat, cold, rain, and many other harmful situations. All living beings, such as animals, birds, humans, etc., all need a place to live. A home keeps us safe from bad weather such as rain, sunlight, storm, and other natural disasters. It also makes us feel safe and happy in our house. A house gives us comfort and rest. If we go to the early man's time, we will notice that the man used to live inside a cave or underneath the tree shelter. That time they didn't had much access to any of the technology. Thus, they did all the work manually. They used to carve the stones and decorate their walls of the stones. But nowadays, we can see different types of houses. There are hut, house, hotel, castle, lighthouse, farmhouse, hospital, dormitory, igloo, tent, etc. So these are the different types of houses that are present nowadays. These houses are used by people for different various purposes. Now these houses can be further divided into pakka house and kacha houses. So can you guess from these given examples which can be put under pakka and under the kacha houses? So let's discuss about the kacha house first. So what is a kacha house? Kacha houses are the houses that are made up of mud, straw, dry leaves, etc., and therefore they are not so strong. That is, they can be destroyed easily by some natural disaster. They are cheap and really very easy to build, and they can be moved from one place to another. So these are the examples of kacha house, that is a hut. Then we have a pakka house. What are pakka houses? These are the houses that are made up of bricks, cements, white cement, etc., that makes the building strong so that they can withstand all the strong winds, rainfall, or any of the natural disasters that might happen. So examples of the pakka house are bungalow, apartments, villas, etc. Then further we can divide the houses as temporary house and the permanent houses. Temporary houses are the houses that are usually built with cheap and easy commodities. Okay, so basically when we are talking about temporary houses, these are the houses where we are not staying for a long time. For example, the hotel comes under the category of pakka house, but they are temporary because these are the places where we don't stay for a long time. For example, if we are going for a trip or a tour, then we stay in a hotel. Another one is an igloo. It is a house made up of blocks of ice. It is found in very cold places where it snows. Eskimos are the people who basically live inside the igloos. So the benefit of staying inside the igloo is that it always protects these Eskimos from the cold wind that are blowing in that area, and keep the Eskimos body hot. After that, we have the tents. A tent is made up of canvas cloth, and it is used by the campers or the soldiers. So the campers and the soldiers are the people who usually use these tents for their campaigning purposes. So the people who don't have a fixed home and who are roaming around like the nomads and all, these people make these tents so that they could just take a rest for a while and then they can carry on with their traveling. Now let's have a small quiz. I will be discussing the answers with you at the end. The first question is, a pakka house is made up of. So children, you have to just tell me what is a pakka house made up of. Next is a house which is made up of snow blocks. So a house which is made up of a snow blocks is known as, that you have to tell. Then the third one is, who used to live in caves. So you have to tell who were the people who used to live in the caves. That also we have discussed. Just go through this video again, you will be able to find the answer. Then the fourth one is, mud and straws are used to build up. So you have to tell me for what type of houses we use muds and straw. So muds and straw are used to build up what type of houses. After that, we have the fifth question, that is, people who travel from one city to another stays in. Okay, so the people who keeps on traveling, who are not having a fixed home, they are traveling, so these people usually stay in these areas. Now I am having answers. Now let's see how many of you got the correct one. Cement and bricks is the first answer. Second one is igloo. The third one is early man. Fourth is kacha house, and fifth is the hotel. So children, thank you and stay safe, okay, and do study well. Have a great day.